All right, so this is the Barbecue Creations PortaSpit. This is the large one. It's motorized. It's basically like the IKEA of barbecue pits. I'll post the link in the description so you can reference it, but just know that we can do them for 100 shipped. But you can see the pictures and more details online about them. We're just trying to clear these out, so buy up as many as you can. They make great gifts. You know, something like this normally, like in a retail setting, would cost about $300 to $400 plus tax. So, but one of the cute things I got, this is neat. So this is a little kit. They're calling it the DRK, and it's a recoil damping mat, roller, and knife. So it's just a utility knife, which usually go for, you know, $5 or whatever, with a replaceable razor blade. And then it's got the roller, which is just a plastic roller. I think I have some of the damping mat here. Maybe did I sell it? Oh, here it is. Yeah. Oh. I got some of this stuff. This went pretty quick on Amazon. So just regular damping mat with foil back. I have some of that as well, and then I have big rolls of unbacked stuff that was used for home theater by Cascade and some other companies. We're blowing that out for $50 a roll, and normally I think it went for $3.50 a roll. But so some of the other things, these are great. This is the BTR2. This is a it was designed for to be water resistant, waterproof for UTVs as a Bluetooth 4 audio controller, and we're going to be blowing these out too. These are really great for resale, and a lot of times you can eliminate the need for a head unit just by using something like this, because, you know, most people pay anywhere from $400 to $1,000 for their phone. Use your phone as the head unit. Don't use a head unit. So all you need is an amplifier, which most people are going to buy anyway, and then you hook this straight to the amplifier. Presto, that's a head unit. So we got some amps in. We got some of these DSP units from DB Drive. We're going to close out pretty quick. This is kind of neat. I saw these, the EPS68. It's just a micro subwoofer. So, and then we have the Recoil ones, which I think are just 8-inch as well. A couple of 4-channel amps. You can look up some of these part numbers if you want to preview. Where's this one? Oops. This one's not saying it. Oh, this is the DB Drive 2K that we sent in. The Pro 2K. We also have the 0 gauge kits in stock. I got about 20 of these. We do these for $65. If you order 2, I will do free shipping. CONUS, Continental US. We include a ground lug with these, which they don't come with, which I've been telling them to bring those. So I got a little amp for testing. I'm gonna check those out, see if we can get them from the factory that they use, another company. These are the premium kits. These are actually really, really nice. What you would normally find for, you know, from Rockford for, geez, at least $200-300. All copper, very heavy. I love this new speaker wire. It's like a silicone type of speaker wire. I almost want to steal these out of the kits and then say they're not included. But I think we're importing this as well. They're ordering me a pallet. So, because we burn through a lot of it as well. And, you know, if you're going to sell wire, just might as well sell good stuff. What else? Oh yeah, so this happened last night. So somebody put a bad wheel on the rack, and then I gently moved the rack out of the way, and the wheel fell off, and this came tumbling down. So 6-foot drop. Guess what? It doesn't last. So luckily, though, I don't think the motor shifted, so we'll just rebuild it. But I think that was, yeah, most of this stuff I brought back. We've had other stuff sitting back here. I got to ship out. But yeah, oh, and like more capacitors and stuff like that. But yeah, those are some of the goodies. So yeah, somebody in my case, if we're just selling this, a lot of times what I'll do is they'll just make this promotional or do it really cheap or something like that, because this can be sold on its own, and then of course this can be sold on its own as well, more as a promotional item. There was something in here, I didn't see it. Maybe it's here. No. There was another box. Here's the kits. This is the 0 gauge kits. And then, let me see. Maybe it was this one. I don't see it. It's these little mouth exercisers. So I got to get pricing on them and find out what they are, but they got a shit ton of them, and they're really popular in other, like, I don't, you know, it's the one, it's not the ones that have they look like the lips where the girl's like basically giving a BJ or something like that. I don't know. It's a quote unquote mouth exerciser, which I don't recommend, but some people are into it, and I guess, you know, if you want to improve your bite or something like that, then go for it. But again, you probably talk to your dentist. He'll probably say it's a bad idea. So you're fine just talking and chewing like normal. But I think that was it. So if you cannot wait, look up these prices yourself. And then, of course, I'll give you a discount off whatever that price is. But typically, we like to be about 10 to 15% below market. And that way, everybody knows that they get a good deal, and we were able to move stuff really quick. So I'll give you more updates as we go through this stuff. I actually got to put all this stuff aside and then ship out orders for today, which is actually quite a bit of stuff. And I'll be busy for the next 3 hours. So, but I love you guys. I will talk to you later.